Good morning, Master Designers. It's me again. Tonight, we're going to draw Magerna from the Pokemon movie Volcanion and the Mechanical Marvel. If you must know, Magerna is one of the Steel-type Pokemon. Well, Steel-type mythical Pokemon. It has the ability to transform into a Pokeball at will and can transform back. Kind of like in relation with Genesect. Be sure to subscribe to that channel episode as well if you've seen him. And well, few things about Magerna. Her signature ability is also known as Soul Heart. After a Pokemon is defeated, her ability, known as Soul Heart, also it boosts her strength, and her signature move is also known as Fleur Cannon. Here are the panels. There are the ears. Now we draw the gears. This is the Soul Heart, also known as the core on her chest. Now we draw the fingers. There's her hand. You know, in Pokemon Sword and Shield, if you want to get Magerna, you have to get this special QR code that allows you to scan and summon Magerna. Then you go to this China shop where you can find Magerna's body. Plus, that's what allows you to get Magerna in store and add her to your Pokedex. Here's the armor piece. Known fact about Magerna is that she was once found at the park in a flower fields where she met Volcanion, and she has this special melody. And, well, I find good feelings about this. Now to draw the, Pokeball part. I know she used to have a different color back then. The paint wore off and she transformed into this. And there she is. That's how you draw Magerna. Reminds me of the Roosevelt Field Mall. And there we go. With 7 minutes to spare. I'm proud you all enjoyed this episode. Please like and rock and subscribe to my channel. Oh shoot, forgot to add these. And can you let me know in the comments which character you want me to draw next in the comments below? That'd be real help. Anyhow, I better sign off. I'm about to run out of storage. Stegosaurus, see you later.